Hi, welcome to the VidTechy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add YouTube channel keywords. To do this, just go to youtube.com and click the profile icon. Then, click View Your Channel. Once you click your channel, this is your channel homepage. Now, click Customize Channel. After clicking Customize Channel, you will see the Settings button on the left-hand side. Click Settings. A pop-up will open, then click Channel. Under Basic Info in this section, you'll find your YouTube keywords. If you want to add or delete keywords, you can do it here. For example, I'll add YouTube marketing with VidTechy. I'll take a minute of your time to show you how. You can add any keyword you like here, then click Save. Once you click Save, the settings are updated. VidTechy is an all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up for VidTechy for free and take your YouTube marketing to the next level. Similarly, you can click the settings and change your keywords here. This is where you can update your YouTube channel keywords. To generate these keywords, VidTechy is a free tool. Just go to vidtechy.com and sign up for free. Once you're signed up, under the dashboard, you can click the Channel SEO section. Scroll down, and you'll find the option to generate keywords. Here, you'll see many of the most used keywords for your reference channel. You can analyze the top channels, then copy and use these keywords in your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content.